Ladies and gentlemen, your current and 11-time U.S. champion for the French Aerobatic, Mr. Rob Holland. Throws the airplane across the sky like a frisbee. The man has come up with so many innovative moves, things that he's put together all by himself, hours and hours of concept and practicing. And of course, as he flips the airplane forward in a forward somersault, has created moves that have won for him not only the U.S. championship when it comes to aerobatics 11 times, but freestyling 12, and on the world circuit 6 times, a world champion of freestyle. Flip the airplane over and again, Columbus aboard, very free, aerobatic move there, that movement as a round as it goes. Fairmont watches, that's a champion of this game. Aircraft solutions, first priority, and yet when he comes out of this, instead of falling, he's inverted and connected and still flying. I don't know how he's figuring some of this stuff out. And he is quite the follower. Follow him on Facebook, facebook.com/RH Aerosports, and on Twitter and Instagram @RobHolland5150, and you can see what it looks like from his perspective. Cameras all over the plane, including on him, and you see him sitting back, looking relaxed and working so hard. Flygoodmerch.com too, if you want to be part of the tribe and get online with him. He's got some cool stuff for you to wear and of course support his endeavors as he goes after even more championships, not only in the U.S. but on the world stage. Since he was 18, graduated from Daniel Webster College with degrees in aviation management and aviation flight. Five-time World Freestyle Aerobatic Champ, 11-time and current U.S. National Champ, 12-time and current U.S. National Freestyle Champ. Honorary Blue Angel, 4-time Charlie Hiller Trophy recipient, and 2012 Airshow Award for Showmanship. This man is change directions, moving over forward and then backwards flying, and then coming back out of it again. Still connected to flying on a 45-degree angle. Precise and aggressive flight. An airplane designed to pull and push 16 Gs, and he's using a lot of that today. And he's just getting started in the first half. Into that smoke makes the great picture come again as he squeezes it back around again. Dropping down to turn a little bit of altitude into some more energy down near the trees. And give the airplane just a little bit of break. And himself a little bit of a break too. Maybe I could even have a little conversation with him. Rob, it's Rick down on the deck checking in. How do you read? Very well. What do we have coming up next as you take just a little bit of a break?
I'll tell you what, really is an honor to be here. One moment of your time, and ask each and every one of you, I'll do me a favor. When you see a military national uniform, walk up here. I want you to walk up to him, look in the eyes, shake their hand, say thank you. You have been service, sacrifice, rigid dedication. Because each and every one of us, freedom we cherish so much. From the bottom of my heart, I'd like to dedicate this heart to each and every one of us.
Beautiful, Rob. What do you have coming up now in the second half?
I just climbed up, get ready for the second half. Look a lot of air deal. We do about 300 miles to Boston. Hope everyone's enjoying Washington, much less enjoying flying. We still got some great air show coming up. We got the jet truck. We got the United States Navy Blue Angel. It's going to be awesome. What a perfect day. I'll be back in down about 20 seconds. Back to your action.
Alrighty, there's Rob from the cockpit. He sounds so relaxed. An honorary Blue Angel himself. And as you heard him say, he's going to dial it up now. He's going to drop in at about 300 plus miles per hour. And he's got lots more left in this MXS-RH Rod's custom-built aircraft. A steady stream of smoke tells me he's ready for the second half, and he's really going to dial it up. Watch how aggressively and precisely he drops in now. And we are ready to roll. Here he comes, your 11th time and current champ, Mr. Rob Holland. Stressed to 16 Gs either way. He's pulling some incredible Gs as he flips the airplane end over end, over end, over end, and then flies away from this. Not stalled, not falling, but flying. Per second, incredible roll as he puts the G's. He gets high with brunch and dinner and all that stuff all over again as the fluids come up in his body. Sometimes against the white cloud or the aerobatic pilots can actually see pink because the blood's getting in their eyeball. It's just a horrible feeling. And then it speaks to his physical fitness as well as he builds up a tolerance to these G's, both pulling them and pushing. How precisely he flies and how creative he is, Rob Holland. Negative G's again. Oh, and he floats over the top with a 0-G push for a moment, tumbles the airplane, and again, flies away from it. Oh, about an 11-G pull up into the vertical this time. Slides to bleed off some of that energy, up and through the smoke he goes. And again on the line, flygoodmerch.com, and you can see some of the cool outfits he's got for you and some of the stuff to connect you to not only aviation, but all of the he is pursuing right now as he continues to win these championships and create some incredible aerobatic maneuvers. And again, comes out of that, just spinning around like a frisbee as he heads back down again. And that converts the energy, the altitude to energy that he needs to tie all of these non-stop aerobatics together from one side to the other, and from the top to the bottom. This is a profession where you work your way down in the world. So the better he gets at it, the more proficient, the lower they let you fly, and he is rated to the surface. And right now, he's stopped all forward motion. He's defying gravity, might as well be a helicopter here, and as he slowly starts to fall, but manages to keep it flying, gets connected, and again, comes back from that same 45-degree angle. Really precise flying. Oh, and those negative G's again, pushing away. Wants to push him right up out of the cockpit, and again, lunch and breakfast all over again, right up into your throat, the pile of nasty stuff, and you just learn to keep it down. As he floats over the top now, and he's getting set up for his last series of maneuvers. And look at that. Again, an airplane should just fall out of the sky after that, but not when you're Rob Holland. To the top again. He's going to defy gravity, but he's also going to try and slow this airplane down in just a moment. So he flattens out with another big bang down below. He's going to flatten out and defy gravity here for just a moment. He's going to sit dancing on the controls, on the edge of falling or stalling. He's going to take the sheer power of that engine, almost 400 horsepower of it, and he's just going to lightly dance on the pedals to make sure the airplane stays where it is. Smoke tells me he's going to push over because that's about all he can get out of it, and then reposition again. Is he not incredible to watch fly? Is he not inspiring? So creative, and I think you understand clearly why he's your current and 11-time national champion. Give him a wave as he goes by. He'll be checking you out right now as he slides by and changes the top of the bottom side of his aircraft. Purpose-built and specifically for him. Combine that airplane, that technology, and his talents, and well, this is what you get. Rob Holland Air Show. Meanwhile, off to the right now, the world's fastest pickup. This Chevy pickup has quite the engine, or two. Jet engines, in fact, and all that smoke and all of that thunder is about to take Rob Holland on in a bit of a race. Ladies and gentlemen, Hot Streak 2 jet truck powered by the one and only Hayden Proffitt II, the third brother in a legendary racing family, and this incredible jet truck. Hot Streak 2. The world's fastest Chevy pickup. He's going to try and get into Hayden's hand. Just because they light him up. And just trying to get the focus because Hayden has more speed, but he's got to get there. He's got 350 plus miles an hour out of this, setting the world record when it comes to a pickup truck with two jet engines. Rob Holland's got about 300 and just a bit more squash to play with, but he's got the jump start because he's got the, he's already going to be flying and coming right up on him from behind when we set this up. Two Westinghouse J-34 engines, rescued from a Navy Buckeye airplane, 25,000 horsepower, 12,500 pounds with afterburner of thrust. Rob's going to jump right down on top of him and come through the smoke, and both look at this for a shot. Oh, look at that. gallons of diesel fuel being consumed right now. The acceleration speed, top speed 350 miles per hour, quarter mile speed between 20 miles an hour. We're going to get a race started here in just a few moments as they get down to the end and to the left. Rob is going to extend and Hayden's going to get turned around with the jet truck. The grandson of legendary Hall of Fame drag racer Hayden Proffitt, four-time national champion in the National Hot Rod Association, and a two-time national champion in AHRA, and his uncle Brad Proffitt, son of Hayden, piloted the USA rocket dragster. That's right, it had a rocket engine on it. Holland is dropping down. Now we're going to get a fair start too as Hayden lights the stacks, and very shortly he's going to light the afterburners too. Rob converts and now rolls to inverted, so he's going to get a good look. And then we're going to have ourselves a race. And let's see what happens now as they're about to get going. Rob is extending the rocket. Shoots open and Hayden's got it. Your current champ at 11 times. He's won the championship and a legendary family well represented by Hayden Proffitt II, the world's fastest pickup truck. Outstanding. Check out Rob's approach to a runway. That's how he does it. He doesn't do anything the normal way. He's in a flat spin. He's checking out the runway. He doesn't have to extend miles out there and then approach it. He knows where it is, and he knows how to get to it fast. So he does a little side slip. He lines it up, and he's not done yet. He'll put the wheels down, and not just yet. He likes to fly somewhere. So he rolls, and then he sets up and convinces his MX to stop flying. And he'll taxi by and will encourage you to give him a huge wave. Meanwhile, Hayden down there has used every ounce of 150 gallons of diesel to run the race that you've just seen. So he's got to hook up to the towed truck. The technicians have opened the canopies, they're getting to work, soon the pilots will arrive. And an honorary Blue Angel himself, Rob Holland, taxiing by now. Give him a nice wave. Nobody flies like Rob Holland. You see the list of things he's won down the tail there. He's going to need a bigger tail pretty soon because he just keeps on winning the world stage and of course here in the U.S. as well. Rob Holland. Again, the grandson, legendary Hall of Fame drag racer Hayden Proffitt III. After 9 years on active duty, Hayden decided it was time for a change and always wanted to pursue his dream of driving a race car. Well, he ends up with a 25,000 horsepower jet truck. And he'd like to thank you and the military, men and women currently serving here at home, abroad, or past and present veterans, because of all of that they've sacrificed. Of course, he gets to do his dream. and it wouldn't be achievable without your dedication to this great veteran. And they are proud to say that truck and his team are all veteran-owned and operated this jet vehicle.